Why doesn't anybody talk about how crazy woodpeckers are? Like, how do they even survive? Basically, they peck to uncover insects. And they use their long ass tongues to get them insects, using these little barbs. They also peck out areas to live. Now, what's really wild is they can peck up to 20 miles per hour, withstanding upwards to 1,000 G's of force, comparable to the human concussion threshold only being around 60 to 100. Now, how don't woodpeckers get concussion? Well, we don't really know for sure, but we do have a few theories. The most plausible, of course, being the anatomy of their skull bone structure. As you can see, it's very spongy, so it acts like packing foam. Additionally, the brain is tightly packed in, no fluids around it like ours. Now this is the wildest one you'll hear. It's debated whether or not the tongue acts like a barrier around the brain, preventing concussions. But it's also theorized it's just a cavity to keep its long ass tongue. This is one of the wildest birds on the planet. Tell me what you think in the comments.